The crackling of logs, the faint smell of wood smoke, and the soothing warmth enveloping you on a chilly evening. There's something inherently charming about cozying up to a traditional fireplace. But for those who crave this experience without the hassle of chopping logs or cleaning soot, an electric fireplace heater is an ingenious solution. Offering a mesmerizing blend of modern technology with old-world charm, these innovative heaters can transform any space into a warm haven in no time. So watch the full video and check out the tagged products for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Duraflame Electric Fireplace Heater. The Duraflame Electric Fireplace Heater not only serves as a powerful heating solution, but also adds a touch of elegance to your living space. The 5200 BTU heater is capable of efficiently warming up a room of up to 1,000 square feet. The infrared quartz heat it generates is designed to maintain the natural humidity in the air, preventing the room from becoming too dry. The flame effect, created with patent-pending 3D flame effect technology, offers a realistic view of dancing flames with adjustable brightness levels. The unit is user-friendly with an adjustable digital thermostat, electronic timer function, and a convenient remote control. Safety features such as overheat protection and a child safety lock ensure worry-free operation. The durable metal body construction, side viewing windows, and beveled glass door add a touch of sophistication to your home. Number 2 is Rintuf Electric Fireplace Heater. Rintuf's electric fireplace heater boasts a fast heating capability of 1500 W and a substantial 5100 BTU heating capacity, making it an excellent choice for larger spaces. The 3D flame effect technology enhances the visual appeal with multiple flame and brightness settings, providing a customizable experience to suit your mood. Safety is a top priority with overheat protection and a cool-to-the-touch exterior, making it safe for households with children or pets. The classic retro church style, combined with toughened glass, gives this fireplace heater a polished and timeless look. Its portability allows you to move it effortlessly between rooms. Number 3 is Eueiriup Electric Fireplace Heater. Eueiriup's electric fireplace heater combines vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. The classical freestanding design, weighing only 16 pounds, is easy to carry and fits seamlessly into your living room, study, or bedroom. The 3D real flame effect, activated with the main power switch, creates a visually pleasing experience reminiscent of a real fireplace. The heater operates at 2 heat settings, 1000 watt and 1500 watt, with efficient power delivery, quickly heating up spaces of 400 to 500 square feet. Safety features include a thermostat control and flame brightness adjustment, accessible through a knob on the bottom right corner. With a focus on safety, efficiency, and a user-friendly control panel, this fireplace heater adds charm and warmth to any space. Number 4 is Airchoice Electric Fireplace Heater. Airchoice's electric fireplace heater stands out with its realistic 3D flame effect, providing an authentic wood-burning fireplace experience. The 3D flame effect can be enjoyed separately, eliminating the need to turn on the heating function for visual ambiance. With 1500 watt and 750 watt dual modes, this heater achieves fast heating in just 3 seconds, covering rooms over 130 square feet. The overheat protection and ETL certification ensure safety, making it suitable for bedrooms and living room. The portable design, measuring 15.7 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 19 inches high, allows for easy placement in various rooms. This infrared space heater operates quietly and maintains natural humidity levels in the air. Number 5 is RealSmart Electric Fireplace Heater. The RealSmart Electric Fireplace Heater excels in providing a realistic 3D rolling flame effect, enhancing the visual appeal of any room. With 5118 B2s of heat output, this heater is capable of efficiently warming your living space. The portable design, measuring 15.74 inches wide, 9.6 inches deep, 21.65 inches height, and weighing 10.47 pounds, allows for easy movement between rooms. Safety features include automatic power off in case of overheating or accidental knocks, providing peace of mind. The adjustable thermostat, timer function, and elegant design make this electric fireplace heater a versatile and stylish addition to your home.